Bharuch and Ankleshwar towns in Gujarat have faced severe flooding, and some are pointing fingers at human actions for this catastrophe. Rumors suggest that engineers from the Sardar Sarovar Narmada Nigam Limited intentionally held back water from the dam to reach maximum reservoir capacity on September 17. Subsequently releasing a massive amount of water downstream. But is this flood truly a man-made disaster? Let's not forget the role nature played in this crisis. Between September 15 and 17, a significant portion of Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra within the Narmada Basin experienced exceptionally heavy rainfall. Furthermore, a storm paralleling the Narmada Basin contributed to floods and water accumulation upstream. The dams in Madhya Pradesh were already 85% to 90% full before the heavy rainfall hit. To manage the situation, authorities began releasing water promptly based on the severity of the conditions. As a result, the water level at the Sardar Sarovar Dam started to rise on the morning of September 16 due to the upstream releases. Due to the relentless downpour between the Indira Sagar and Sardar Sarovar Dam, the flood inflow reached 5.79 lakh CUSECS at 11 a.m. on September 16, skyrocketing to approximately 21.72 lakh CUSECS by 11 p.m. It's essential to consider both natural factors and human actions when analyzing these events. Our hearts go out to the people affected by this disaster, and we hope for a swift recovery.